Hello guys, this is me again and welcome back to my channel The English with me. So now I'm gonna tell you basic on learning English and based on to how I speak English faster and where I learn English. So I'm gonna tell you about the process and journey for my start. So and this video I will tell you bonus tip because if you remember all things in English, so that is it. So first of all, I'm gonna start. First thing, if you are a beginner, so you can start learning newspaper and watching English newspaper because many inflation upload video on YouTube channel, so you can go and check out English video. So mostly of them upload English newspaper video. If you can't reading English newspaper because you not understand and this is your journey from started, so you can learn English at YouTube English creator who upload English newspaper. Because according to me, when I was a beginner, so I used to reading new English newspaper. Starting of my journey, I didn't understand what is going on because I have to focus each word because paragraph is when I saw paragraph I thought is big paragraph, but when I started learning English, so English newspaper I thought is easy because I already getting close of learning English. So I give you advice that feedback that you can starting from where yes, from where because you can learn basic phrases from English because if you learning English newspaper I regularly and consistently, so you learn vocabulary and improve your influence, improve your uh, basic and reading pronunciation because I learn also by learning English newspaper. I is all about to mindset because I still remember I was a beginner, so I do three activity. First, I start to reading English newspaper and article and also book. And second is I used to watching a lot of English video. Starting of watching English video, I started from a YouTube channel and many influencer, and also I give you recommend you if you are I know many beginner, many student, different place and different state and different language. So who you have on your native place, your mama tongue. So watch English video your mama tongue because action is man important because if you watch I know mostly person belong to India, so if you are Indian person, so Indian person has a different accent of speaking English and American person has a different accent. I learn English by watching American accent. American accent is very good accent and very easily accent. Everybody know, everybody learn English and listening is easy and understanding is easy. So I recommend you watching English or American accent that is very fantastic accent and you gonna be fluent by watching English video. Now I'm gonna talk about listening. How can increase your listening activity, listening technique? Because most of us he didn't understand English, but he hardly tried to understand in English, and he still struggle of learning English. So that is very good method of learning English. So I recommend you if you interest with listening song, so you can learn by listening song English. That is a good method and fun method and easy method. First of all, advice I give you, recommend you, do those things who you like it and who you interest with them. That is very important because I like it to a lot movie English movie. That's why I like English. I'm not upload my video on money and increase my vocabulary. I'm just learn English by English movie, Hollywood movie by watching English Hollywood movie. So that is how I learn English. So you also can learn English. So listen English song and listen any postcard, and maybe you not understand English, I know, but if you try a lot, so you going to achieve your goal. Definitely this is true. I also go this through. And second is reading out loud. This is good method for everyone. And also uh, speak out loud. What can I speak? Everyone already know how can I speak and where is my topic, how can I speak and where. So you can create your a moment because you enjoy every moment of learning English. This is true. You can talk about your routine, day routine. I'm brushing my teeth is morning. I am wake up 6 a.m. clock, and now I'm doing work for my office, and every activity you just speak little bit. So that is good for you, and that it will be good for you. So try to speak every word and pronounce every word in English. I know you have your mama tongue language, so avoid your mama tongue language and speak English. So that is good method, everyone, for me, for everyone. I also, this is my AC. For example, you can, this is my AC. This all material of salon. This is TV. This is light. Everything you just speak in English. Also, you can talk with mirror. Just like that. You can talk. This is mirror, and I also talk with them because everybody mostly have problem that they have no pattern of learning English. So it's great of me. What happened case with me, that in my case is little bit totally different because I'm totally not understand what is the English and what is the English meaning. So this is my big problem. So how can I remove my problem? I'm just talking with a random person. I found one app on social media. Social media is very good platform. Also, you can use social media because nobody know that how can use social media right way. This is big problem. I swear, because I before I using social media, I don't know how can use social media. This is big problem. So I will tell you, please use right of social media and increase your vocabulary. Don't scroll Instagram video, any kind of video, because you're gonna waste your time. So subscribe my channel if you like me. I know I speak little bit, but follow me.